In a world where nostalgia for retro games has reached unprecedented heights, the AYANEO Retro Mini PC AM01 emerges as the ultimate solution for enthusiasts longing to relive the golden era of gaming. Recognizing the paradox of a passionate community eager to revisit classic titles on outdated hardware, AYANEO has ingeniously bridged the gap with a cutting-edge gaming device that marries the charm of retro games with the power of modern technology. The heart of the AYANEO Retro Mini PC AM01 beats with either an AMD Ryzen 3200U or 5700U processor, offering users the flexibility to choose the power that suits their gaming needs. With options for 8 or 16 gigs of RAM and a choice between 512 gigs or 1 terabyte of SSD storage, the AM01 ensures a seamless gaming experience, whether you're battling through pixelated worlds or exploring the latest titles. Featuring a rich array of ports, including HDMI, USB-A, and USB-C, the AYANEO Retro Mini PC AM01 seamlessly integrates with modern peripherals. Its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adapter not only eliminate the clutter of wires, but also open the door to a wireless gaming experience. This mini PC is not just a relic of the past, but a versatile device capable of meeting the demands of contemporary gaming. The AYANEO Retro Mini PC AM01 refuses to be confined to a single realm, offering compatibility with various operating systems. Whether you're a die-hard Windows user, a Linux aficionado, or seeking the simplicity of Android, this mini PC caters to your preferences. It's a blank canvas for users to paint their gaming nostalgia on, providing the freedom to choose the environment that best suits their needs. For those enraptured by the charm of retro gaming, the AYANEO Retro Mini PC AM01 is a dream come true. Compatible with a multitude of retro gaming emulators, it allows users to revisit classics from platforms like NES, SNES, Sega Genesis, and more. The AM01 not only preserves the authenticity of these timeless games, but enhances them with the power and efficiency of modern hardware. The AYANEO Retro Mini PC AM01 is not just a concept but a reality, and it's available for purchase on Indiegogo. With an expected shipping date of December 2023, this innovative gaming device promises to transport you back in time, while ensuring you stay firmly rooted in the present. Don't miss your chance to be part of the next evolution in retro gaming. Secure your AYANEO Retro Mini PC AM01 today, and embark on a nostalgic journey like never before. If the prospect of carrying a retro gaming powerhouse in your pocket has piqued your interest, take the next step by exploring the AYANEO Retro Mini PC AM01. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.